Whether you're a seasoned gardening enthusiast or dreaming of a career in horticulture, we have something exciting for you. Introducing the Diploma of Gardening and Horticulture, an online CPD certified bundle designed to transform your love for plants into a thriving journey of knowledge and expertise. Gain in-depth understanding and apply basic botany principles in horticulture and gardening. You will learn to classify plants accurately and make informed decisions in horticulture and gardening. Learn how to manage pests and diseases in horticulture and gardening. Wait, there's more. You will also gain knowledge on soil quality for optimal plant growth in horticulture and gardening. This bundle will teach you plant nutrition for effective horticulture and gardening. You will gain insights on sustainable organic gardening techniques. In this amazing bundle you will get 3 free courses, and these are: Botany, QLS Level 5. Agricultural Science, QLS Level 5. Diploma in Forestry at QLS Level 4. Why are you still waiting? Enroll now and let your gardening dreams blossom.